Hello everyone, this is Tuba Mirza and welcome to Recoding. Today we are going to continue building our to-do application. So without further ado, let's get started. In the last video, we have completed to build our routes and controller. Now let's check out how to build views of our application. To build our views, we are going to require view engine from its URL. So type import from and put view engine URL. Then inside our view engine, we are going to require view engine, engine factory, and adapter factory. Then we need to set our view engine. To do so, first we need to set our engine factory as const EJS engine equals engine factory dot get EJS engine. This will set EJS as our view engine. Then we can set our adapter as const oak adapter equals adapter factory dot get oak adapter. This will set oak as our adapter and also provide a render function in which we pass our EJS file. Then we need to pass our view engine inside our application. Then inside view engine, we need to pass our adapter and engine. Then we pass our view configuration, in which our view root will be views. And view extension as .ejs. After setting our view engine, let's set our static file also pass through our server. First, we need to require send function from oak module. Then we need to pass our static directory to our application, so when we require a static file, we can easily get it. Then we need to set a static folder which will hold our style, and views folder will hold index.ejs file. Inside our index.ejs file, type our HTML boilerplate codes. Then we need to link our style.css file. Then type a h1 tag inside it, type to do app. Now inside our list controller, we need to pass context.render. Inside it, pass index, which is file name, as our EJS file, and then pass data inside it as our all data which get from our list class. Then let's start a server. Inside the terminal, type Denon start. As we have earlier set a Denon.jsn file, here you can see that a to-do appears. Now let's focus on our form. Inside our index.ejs file, let's create a div of class container. Then inside it, create a h1 tag which can type to do app. We also style the text to appear on center. Then create input header div. Inside it, create an input tag of type text and name as title. Then create a button type of submit. Then create a div of list section. Inside it, create an unordered list tag. Then we can iterate our data which holds all our data. Then inside our loop, we can create a list tag which will hold inside it, pass a label which will have our checkbox and our list data. Inside a checkbox, we also need to pass ID so that when we check our list, it will help to send data to server. Then inside our browser, our style looks something like this. Now let's style our app. First, we can create some variable for our background. Then we can set all the elements inside our HTML document to have background color or primary color. Then color as white and font family as Arial Helvetica. Then inside our unordered list, we remove all the pre-styling and set font size as 2 rem. Then inside a container, we add max width of 1140 pixel and margin to set our container to the center. Then we set our input header class, display as flex, and set flex direction as row. Now let's add more styling on input and button. Also, we add button to change color on hover. So our style looks something like this. Now let's create a custom checkbox. First, we display our checkbox to display as block. Set its position as relative. Add some padding and margin. Then add cursor as pointer. Set font size. And add to do nothing when user selected. Then we need to hide our checkbox as setting its opacity height and width to 0. Then we can make a span tag to act as checkbox icon. Inside it, we can pass its width and height. Then we can set as when we hover the checkbox, it will change the color of background. And similarly, when we check checkbox, we can also add style to checkmark span. We can also remove the extra spacing by selecting its pseudo element. Similarly, we add other styles. Now let's hop inside our browser, and here you can see that our style has appeared and our checkbox is working. So this is how we can set our view and allow styling. In the next video, we are going to complete our to-do app. So stay tuned guys. And I hope you liked our video. Please do watch our other videos regarding Deno. For now, I am signing off. We'll see you in the next video.